Hey, this is Mark with Living Water, and I'm here with Itzel and Bruce, and Christine, and we just finished this awesome landscape. And today we're gonna interview them to see how their experience was. So, Itzel and Bruce, how was your experience working with Living Water?
Well, you could see the smile on my face. My experience was wonderful. The entire team was a pleasure to work with, and you all do beautiful work as well.
Thank you.
Yeah.
How about you, Bruce?
Well, I really appreciated the transparency and collaboration that you and your whole team had with us. Every step of the way, it was super clear what we were doing.
Nice. And what was your favorite part of the project?
My favorite part is probably this retaining wall. This house had no curb appeal, and now it's a showstopper. It's the best on the block.
It is. It really looks good. Do you have anything you like?
I'm a big fan of cactus. The desert is like a cool thing. We live in the desert, right? So look, we have cactus now. Pretty cool.
Wonderful. So what was it like working with our team?
It was wonderful working with your team. From the gentlemen who were on site, they were so friendly. They knew what they were doing. I didn't have to guide them in anything. They just got to work. And of course, you guys were a pleasure to work with. Seeing you have such great insight and creativity and help with the design, and you were great.
We've worked with a lot of teams renovating our house in various ways. This was by far the best experience we've had with any of the teams that have come in.
And guys, would you recommend Living Water based on your experience?
I would highly recommend Living Water. Again, it's been a great experience from start to finish, so yes, highly recommend.
I already have.
Awesome.
Every neighbor that walks by and asks about the work here and the project asks who we worked with. So if you get some phone calls and it's in this neighborhood, it's probably because of us.
Well, thanks guys. It's been a pleasure working with you. It's so fun to collaborate with our clients on design and installation. So it's really been just as much of a pleasure for us to work with you.
So this is Mark with Living Water. We have another satisfied client, and we are so excited. Yeah!